Hey babes, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, what's up? I'm Destiny Taylor. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below before you dip out so you can join the XO gang. And all of you guys, before you leave this video, please hit that share button and share this video with one of your friends or all of your friends on your socials so we can get more eyes over here so I can spend more time creating videos like this one. So I'm really excited for today's video. As you can see from the title, I am doing a complexion review from Mented Cosmetics. So I'm really excited for this. I've been a Mented babe for, actually, I'm not sure how long. I believe since 2017, I believe. You know, they started with lips, they've been killing it in the lip category, and they've expanded to complexion, which I'm super excited about. Mented creates products that are catered toward women of color, so that's really awesome, especially with a new complexion line coming out. Let's open this bad boy up. Wait, how do you open this up? I don't know. Oh, you just push it open. There you go. La la, this is so cute. There are 16 shades in the collection, and they are stick foundations. I was sent T20, which I believe is tan, M30, which I believe is medium, and M40. So I'm just gonna go ahead and, ooh, interesting. Let me swatch these. I'm gonna be going fast, by the way, guys. I have a date night tonight. Yes, I'm really excited. It's the first warm day LA has had in forever. I actually just stayed in and recorded it for you guys. This is T20, this is M30, which I can tell right now is my perfect match. I like that. And then this right here is M40. I'm gonna go ahead with this blending brush and let's see how this buffs out. Very nice. It's super nice and lightweight. And as you can see, it blends like a dream. It's really creamy. Look at that. Super nice. So I am gonna go in with M30 all over my face. And now I'm just gonna go in and blend it out. Okay, so first thoughts, this foundation blends into my skin like a mother effing dream. I know you guys saw the way it just melted in. This was one layer, and it's definitely a lightweight coverage. These two marks right here are definitely the darkest marks that I have on my face. Right here in this area, and they're slightly covered up but not quite. But as far as the lighter blemishes that I had right here, they're fairly covered up, and my hyperpigmentation covered up very nice, like my under eye circles and everything. I'm going to go in with one more layer and we're going to see how much more coverage we get. So that was the second layer, and honey, she is full of the coverage, full. You can no longer see those very dark marks, and my complexion is evened out, sis. It's here. It is here, and this is without color correcting, which is really good. Okay, so now I'm gonna go off of camera and put the rest of my face on, and I am going to set this foundation because I already can tell this is a mover. This foundation is going to definitely move around and break down with my oils if I don't, you know, set it in. Alright guys, so this is the final look, and Yes, I am here for this entire glow. I use, where is it? Morphe's new 35G Bronze Glow Palette. Of course, can't speak at all, as always. Gorgeous. And then I use 2 of Laura Mercier's new eyeshadow sticks. Oh my god, I love these brands, these 2 brands so much. If you would like to see this tutorial, you can head over to my Instagram, destinytaylorxo, for all the deets and everything. So thoughts on this foundation. Again, it blended into my skin seamlessly like butter. It's light to medium coverage, I would say. I did 2 layers. It did cover up my acne scarring, which is really good. But if you're going for a super beat look and you want something full coverage, something that'll help your skin look flawless, this foundation isn't for you. But if you want a foundation that will cover your hyperpigmentation, your acne scarring, your mild acne scarring, I should say, and you want more of a like a satin finish, then this is a foundation for you. It looks very natural. It feels and looks like I'm glowing from within, which is what Mented is known for, which is why I really do like them. But first impression, I really do like this foundation. I'm about to go on a date in it and I feel super comfortable. I feel super glowy and I know my date is going to like it and be like, oh, what makeup besides like your eyes or whatever. It doesn't look like I'm trying to cover anything up, which is what I go for. I forgot to prime my face, but I did set my face with powder and it's nighttime, so I won't be super oily. And I also set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. So I'm hoping that this beat lasted me for another 4 hours. The only con I could say about this foundation, and I did not use the lighter color to highlight, although I could have, but I didn't want any creasing and I didn't want to risk the chance of getting creasing. And I also did not use the contour color just because I like to go in with a bronzer. One thing I can say about this foundation is it does seem like the type that will move. It's very, I don't want to say oily, but this is a very slick foundation. Also, it has like a crayon, like a strong crayon smell that I'm not a huge fan of. So yeah, that's the review. Thank you so much, Mented, for sending me your complexion PR package. This is really special to be a part of your first complexion launch. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this speedy review. I'm so sorry. I am just in a rush and I wanted to make sure I completed this video for you guys. If you want to know further thoughts on this foundation, follow me on IG at destinytaylorxo. That's where I continue all of the conversations that I start in my videos. And yeah, drop a comment down below. Tell me what you're thinking of this look. Thumbs this video up. Don't forget. And as always, peace and love. Mwah. Your girl gotta go on her date or wish me luck. And I'm out.